How to cut Instagram story video. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can cut Instagram story video. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. In order to cut the Instagram story video, first you can open up Instagram and then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you want to first head into the post option, and then you want to select the video that you wish to cut and add to your Instagram story. Tap on next on the post option. Now here you can see the edit video option at the bottom left corner. You want to tap on it, and then here now you can go ahead and crop to the section that you wish to upload. So you can simply crop it, and then the remaining file, what you want to do is now tap on the arrow icon at the top left and then tap on the save icon at the top right. Once you tap on save, the video will be saved, and once you save it, you can simply tap on start over and then discard it. Once you discard it, you can now head over to your story option and then select the particular video that you just cropped. Since the crop option isn't available on story itself, you'll have to do it through the post first. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.